back on.
Nice and smooth now, unlike these ones. Valve spot right there. Put some oil on the damn wheel.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's probably going in the right spot. Smoother now. Pulling in my fingers. Alright. Now we see how bad your valves are in the machine. One of the two. Looks like we're in the right spot. Go slow this way. So you see all the low spot in here? That's your wear mark.
Mm-hmm.
That's why valves leak with age. See, this one's even through here, but see, it's completely cratered out though. Over here, he's got a bunch of pecker marks,
Mm-hmm.
but it's not worn in real deep. That's how they work. So see, I'm hitting here, but we're not hitting anywhere where the wear mark is.
Right.
Now we determine if the valve's out of whack or me out of whack. See, that's not grinding evenly.
Mm-hmm.
One of the reasons why I hone the stems will make everything more straighter.
Looks a little bit.
See all the low spots?
Mm-hmm.
That side's almost ground. See, you got little pecker marks in there. So I'll make sure all the little pecker marks aren't there no more.
Right.
Rest the wheel. Alright. No more pecker marks. You want to go faster or just be stock?
A little bit on the faster side.
You want to go faster. So I'm going to do a little cutting. A little back cutting. I'm going to cut this corner off right in there. Some more airflow. More airflow. You know, it's smoother.
Mm-hmm.
Still stinks though. Might be warm. Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe it might be warm. No guarantees though. Unless you touch it and burn the piss out of it. Then you know.
That's the test.
That's the test. So you wipe off the stem just like before. So this has two groups of 3 balls that centers it. That was on 45. One. See, the angle's all screwed up too. See how it's not even like the other one was?
Mm-hmm.
So the angle's different. See, I'm on 45 over here. So it's not me. So this valve here is not happy.
This is to disengage, re-engage the hold, just to make sure it's centered still.
Yeah. So you can hear the real chattering of the grind. That's because the wheel's dull now. Redress. Now it's all squared up again. Come back and regrind that. See, this one was ground more than that one. See how it's thinner up here than that one was?
Mm-hmm.
This one has more grinding on it than that one. Because we ground a lot more off this one than that one.
Right.
This one, when it got cut before, this one got cut more. Oh well. Ah. the intakes, they're not so peckered up like the exhaust were.
Is that peckering from heat, from corrosion, or
Yes,
carbon buildup? Or?
all the above. Lack of lubrication. The intake, you got the air fuel mixture coming through,
Right.
which has oil in it because it's a
Mhm.
Harley, and then it has the gasoline has a lot of solvents in it to make it pass smaller,
Sure.
burn slower, more crappy,
Mhm.
so it runs wetter.
Okay.
Racing fuel runs a lot drier, so it's harder on the valve train.
Mhm.
It makes a lot more power.
It also
too.
runs a lot hotter too.
It runs a lot better too. Yeah, it makes a lot more power. So you can see the wear mark in there.
Yeah.
You can see how the angles have slightly changed too. So this one here, I'm cutting more of an angle than what was on it before. So am I at 45 1/4 degrees over here, or am I still on 45?
All over.
See, a lot of people run mismatch angles.
Oh, right. On purpose?
Yeah. If you have two mismatch angles, this is not the correct way, the always tall way of coming in.
Mhm.
But you can come in like this and you dig in, as it wears, it flattens out more.
Right.
So if you come up from the top, it leaves the top up more.
Mhm.
So it's not the best way to go. You usually come from the bottom.
Okay.
And it's just a big tapered wedge, so it just jams itself in.
Right.
So it seals as it's jamming.
Sure.
Now I like grinding on the same surface, so you have to come in nice and square and even to seal.
Mhm.
Otherwise you're off.
Right, because you're
better.
seating, you're getting more surface area
Right,
to
but if
seat.
you got good equipment, do your job right, you want it to be flat.
Mhm.
It works better. But some people don't know how to do that. So that's the same spot it was already in, or it repeated. Yeah, I repeated. So I moved it. Because this chuck easy repeats fairly close. Sometimes you get to hear up its buttons all screwed up, but
Mhm.
most of the time it repeats pretty close. Did the material change?
No, I did not notice it.
It wasn't squawking and making a bunch of noise when I ground the intake.
Mhm.
Because exhausts are hard and tough.
Right.
Intakes are soft and pliable, so they don't make a lot of noise when you grind them. Because they're soft. So these are hard. They make a lot of noise. So it makes a difference. Alright, so I'm going to shorten this one up a little. Okay. Hope I didn't grind too much for your heads. So I don't know where your seats are on your head, so if they're way on the inside, we're gonna have a problem. If they're on the outside, we'll be fine. You can use a bunch of fancy angles if you want. I don't need to do that. I don't like a bunch of fancy angles.
Simple is better.
Yep. That burns way on the outside again.
Mhm.
Fancy angles. Here I repeated right, almost identical. Even though I moved it,
Mhm.
came right back same spot. exhaust, regrind every time, intake every other time.
Okay.
Softer, doesn't wear it out. Alright, we'll clean these up, be back.